Hi, let's remove your data from Michigan Resident Database. First, go to michiganresidentdatabase.com. Enter your first and last name and city, then click on Search Records. Find your record in the search results and click on View Details to open your listing. Check that you've got the right listing and copy the URL by right-clicking on the address bar and selecting Copy. Now open a new tab and go to michiganresidentbase.com/opt-out. Paste in the URL you copied in the previous step, complete the CAPTCHA and click Submit. Enter your name exactly as it appears in your listing and type in your email. You can write anything you like in the reason field. We recommend privacy concerns. Place a check mark next to declaration and click Submit to complete your opt-out request. Your data should be removed from Michigan Resident Database within 48 hours. Don't spend any more time opting out one by one. There are thousands of other data brokers out there that collect and sell your information. Tracking them all down and sending individual opt-out requests can take hundreds of hours. With a subscription to Incogni, you can do it all automatically.